guys, Priya's gonna be opening a Ryan's World toy egg. Like candy.
You excited, Priya?
Yeah.
It's just the money one, isn't it, Priya?
That seems okay. Where? You want help there? No. I'll do it. I'll do it. Oh, thank you. I like screaming in the kitchen.
Oh, look. Show us what you got now.
I got the hide and seek one, that one, and I got the one who
You got Gus, did you?
Yep.
Show us them, hold them up, Lacey, for her.
So I think these might be stickers.
Tattoos or stickers, is it?
They're stickers. So
I think they're tattoos.
what I got, Pando, I think, and I know what I got. Ryan, and I think this is a logo.
What'd you
Ryan
get?
toy.
Let's see.
Ryan.
Show us what you got.
Let me get it. For a second. Here's the sun at the top.
No, Lacey, wait. Let her see. Show.
Ryan with this and him.
Turn them, hold them up.
Oh, that's so.
Let me see. We got him.
And this. And these. There are two more other prizes. Are you ready to open it?
That's really good, Priya.
No, putty. That's putty.
She got putty. Oh
I
God,
love it. That's them.
putty.
And this is a collection thing, so there are lots of. I know what this is.
She's got something else.
I know what this is. This is a lot of collections there, so there are a big bunch of Ryans. What are you gonna get? Ryan. And then this cape on. That's right.
Put his cape on him.
And then he must be a strong lion. A ball.
Let's see what you got.
Bouncy ball.
A Ryan's bouncy ball.
Okay.
Oh, cool. That's really cool. Did you like this, Priya? Did you like to do more videos like this? So what do you guys say before we go?
Big thumbs up. Put a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.
Priya, say bye.
Bye. Hi, Foxy.
Get Ryan to say bye too, Priya.
Bye.
We can't see him.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.